and then else. So we can have multiple elif conditions. Okay, bache? But the main difference between C++ and Python here, what we have to do, we have to give the condition. You can give the condition in the brackets or without bracket, like A greater than B. But how it will know कि हमारा conditional statement हमारा ये block start हुआ है. So we have to give here colon. Okay. So wherever we are using colon, it is signifying that this is the starting of your block. So any statement under this, it is under if block. Okay, bache? Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever I'm using elif, the indentation of elif and if should be same. And the statements within the block, it should be same. Otherwise, it will throw the indentation error. So here you can give the other statement like this, and then at the last you can give else. Okay? Okay, bache? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So you will be using these conditional statements here in any of the program where you have to compare any of the statements, any condition you have to apply. Okay. So you will be using if, elif, and else. Fine. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have loops
Yes, ma'am.
also,
Yes, ma'am.
just like you have in C++. You have loops, for loop, while loop. But the difference is syntactical difference. Okay, logic will be same like you do in your C++. The logic will be same for loops, but the syntax will be different. So for while loop, you will be giving your condition, your expression here. Okay, say I greater than 0. Okay, and the statements here, and you have to give the increment decrement statement here only. Okay, inside the block. Okay, same way in your for loop, what you have to do, you have to give a range. So for say मेरे को क्या चाहिए 5 मेरी प्रॉब्लम है कि मेरे को 1 से लेकर 5 तक मेरे को प्रिंट कराना है, तो मेरा लूप कितनी बार चलना चाहिए. सो आई हैव टू स्पेसिफाई द रेंज हियर. सो फॉर आई इन रेंज 0 to n-1 होगा. अगर मेरे को 0 से स्टार्ट करना है तो इट शुड बी द स्टार्टिंग रेंज विल बी 0, अदरवाइज 1, एनी रेंज यू वांट टू स्टार्ट विथ. ठीक है, तो स्टार्टिंग आपकी क्या होगी वो, एंड आपका जो लूप कहाँ तक चलेगा वो n-1 तक. ठीक है, सो इफ आई एम स्पेसिफाइंग 0 to 6, so my loop will be running for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And the statement inside, whatever the logic you want to perform. Okay, bache? Fine. So let's take an example. For example, I want to print a series 1 to 10. Okay, so I will be, if I'm using the for loop, then I will be giving the starting range 1 and 11 will be the stopping, right? Because it will be running n-1. So it will be running to 1, running from 1 to 10. Okay, print I. Okay, bache? Fine. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing we can do with while loop also. How? अच्छा, यहाँ पर ऑटो इंक्रीमेंट होता है बच्चे, ठीक है, यहाँ ऑटो इंक्रीमेंट होता है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पर इंक्रीमेंट कंडीशन नहीं दिया है. बट अगर आप यहाँ पर इंक्रीमेंट कंडीशन देते हो, से मैं चाहती हूँ कि 1 के बाद मेरा क्या प्रिंट हो, 3 प्रिंट हो, I plus 2 हो, तो I can give here 2, then it will be printing 1, 3 like this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? तो any of the increment number, जितना आपको इंक्रीमेंट करना है, यू कैन स्पेसिफाई इट हेयर इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, ये तो इंक्रीमेंटिंग लूप हो गया. डिक्रीमेंटिंग में क्या होगा? डिक्रीमेंटिंग में क्या होगा? वी हैव टू स्पेसिफाई, है ना, राइट? तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे को 10 से क्या करना है, 1 तक प्रिंट करना है. ठीक है बच्चे, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इन दैट केस क्या करूंगी मैं? कहां से स्टार्ट करूंगी?
10. 10.
और कहां तक करूंगी?
0. Ma'am, 0.
नॉट ऑडिबल बेटा. Zero?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the decrement? -1, right? Fine? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Same. You can do with while loop also. Right? In that case, what will be the condition? Initially, I have to specify the value of I. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then after this, while loop,
I greater than equal to 0.
I should be less than equal to 10. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Then print I. And after this, I have to update the I value of I, right? So I will be decrementing it. Shit. I should be less than. I should be greater than 0. And Fine, because I don't know, maybe it will run correctly in idle, but we have to we have to check whether I is equal to 0, because if we are not specifying that if I is equal to 0, then we have to break the loop, otherwise it will run infinitely. Okay, so you can do it like this also. Fine, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
So today you have to do question number. Please check the list we have shared earlier. Okay, so you have to write a program to find the nth term of Fibonacci series. Okay. Okay. You have to write a program for factorial,
Yes.
and you have to write a program there is a series in question number 5, if you can check, beta. Okay. There it is mentioned we have to use function, but right now we have not discussed functions, so you have to write a program. Okay, simple statements, not using any def condition. Okay, def statement, you have to just write the normal statements. Okay, fine बच्चे, ठीक है बच्चे, clear? So question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, these 3 questions you have to do, and also the factorial question you have to do without using function. Okay बच्चे? किसी को डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, अभी पूछ लो, नहीं तो आई एम ऑल्सो अवेलेबल ऑन व्हाट्सएप एनी टाइम, यू कैन आस्क मी. डाउट है बच्चों? कोई डाउट है किसी चीज में? डाउट है बेटा? एनी स्टूडेंट?
No.
नहीं है? सबको आ गया? सब लोग कर लोगे?
Yes,
हाँ?
ma'am. Bye.
ओके, तो मैं अटेंडेंस ले रही हूँ. ठीक है, प्लीज मार्क योर अटेंडेंस. ओके बच्चे. आकृति, आकृति, बेटा आर यू प्रेजेंट? आकृति यादव,
Present, ma'am.
अहाना, अहाना, अहाना आर यू